Hello, my name is Ariana and my partner is Shelby, and we are working on the case EEOC versus Hooters of America. In the case EEOC versus Hooters of America, the law that is in relation to that is Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. In the case EEOC versus Hooters of America, Annette R. Phillips, which was a bartender at the restaurant Hooters, claims to have been sexually harassed while on the job. The sexual harassment she claims to have experienced involves Gerald Brooks, who is an owner in the franchise. And Phillips claims that Brooks sexually harassed her by both grabbing and then slapping her buttocks. Phillips also claims that after being sexually harassed by Brooks, she reported the act to her manager at the time. And according to Phillips, her manager then told her to get over it. Phillips then got in touch with an attorney who said that the restaurant's actions were in violation of Phillips' right according to Title VII. In response to Phillips' lawsuit, Hooters then filed a lawsuit to compel arbitration under the Federal Arbitration Act due to the fact that Phillips signed an agreement stating that she would allow the company to settle any employee-related disputes. According to Hooters, Phillips was in violation of this contract because instead of reporting the sexual harassment and allowing her employer to resolve the issue, she went to an attorney. The court ended up denying Hooters to compel arbitration. In the case EEOC versus Hooters of America Incorporation, the bartender Annette R. Phillips, who works for Hooters, had no legal right to file a lawsuit against Hooters for being sexually harassed. Phillips may have claimed to be sexually harassed by one of Hooters' corporate owners, Gerald Brooks, but as per the agreement signed by Phillips, this is a private matter that should have been brought to her higher-ups' attention and handled by her employers. Hooters did not violate Phillips' Title VII Civil Rights Act of 1964 because she had no proof that she was sexually harassed and therefore was not discriminated against based on her race, color, sex, religion, or national origin. There is no proof that Brooks touched Phillips in any way. There isn't even proof that he spoke to her. Since Phillips went against a legal contract she signed twice and agreed upon being hired, and did not properly report the incident that may or may not happen to the appropriate people and allow the company to take the actions that her employee would have seen fit, there was no record of any incident of sexual harassment. Since this incident occurred in 1996, it is also highly unlikely that there were any video cameras in the restaurant to catch Phillips being allegedly sexually harassed by Brooks. Phillips going to an attorney instead of following the rules per her contract she signed puts her at fault. Because of her, the company, Brooks, and her manager could all face serious consequences for a crime that there is no proof of. Phillips' false claims could cause defamation on the company and all those that she is accused to have harmed her as well. Because of this, Phillips should have been sued for breaking her contract, which she signed twice, and upon getting hired, she got an attorney to file a lawsuit against her based on a false accusation. So therefore, they should have been able to sue her, and she should have been sued for breaking her contract with them.